Hi, third actor. This is your friendly third act Google Docs coach with how you might make decisions on editing your doc using either the menu bar or the toolbar. This is the menu bar. And of course, when you click on it, if you're a Microsoft Word user, it's real familiar. There's options under File, under Edit, under View, Insert, and Format. And this is the toolbar, where many of those same options are there, and you can do them with just a few less clicks. For example, one, you can bold by clicking on the B, or you can bold by clicking on Edit, Bold, Text. And you can see how I don't use the menu bar too much because I had to search for it. I like to use the toolbar because it's quicker. So let's look at a minute what's in the toolbar. Real important right here. The undo. When you mess up, I don't like that bold where I put it. I click on undo, it's gone. And oh, but I really did mean to do it. I can redo it. Okay, there's the print. We're going to skip over here to the text. You can choose whether you want headings or normal text. This is just like in Word or any word processor, all the different fonts. This allows you to change the size of your font. So let's say I want this font to be larger. I can either use the plus sign to make it larger, or I could click in the middle, and I could go down here to 18, and there it is. I can italics. I can underline. I can change the color of the font, and I can insert a link. That'll be in another video about how to go all the way through that. I can add a comment. That's another video. I can insert an image. That's another video. And then, let's say I wanted this indent centered. I can center. And let's say right now it's set for 1.15 line spacing, but I want a double spacing. I can choose to make a checklist, bullets, or numbers, and I can use this to decrease an indent or increase an indent. Lots of options in the toolbar. Pretty easy to use, I think. What about you? Does this help?